Howdy everyone, Varel here, Flow Roofing out of Portland, currently down in Ladd's Edition. Crews up top there, salvaging a gutter. We're gonna go show you guys what's going on. It's a classic crown case style, basically. But going through, making sure roofs are protected from the top down and the inside out. I wanna show you guys a couple things. Shout out River City, hooking it up with the portage on. We got one more take here because this app has let me down now twice, and we're gonna go take a peek at the Holocene inspection Nick's got set up here for 9 o'clock. And so just want to tell you a quick little story. Basically, back in the day, I was a gutter installer, and this gutter displaced me from Costco. And I was pretty upset at the time, but everything happens for a reason. Now we come full circle. Here we are, saving her, and it's great. It's classic. I call it kind of a crown hybrid. So people like it because it's like between a fascia and it's kind of like a K style. I call it a crown style. I actually don't know what it's called, but I only had a K style OG combo back in the day, Iron Man, for any of the gutter guys out there. And I had to sell the machine, sell the truck, because I was being reckless with not wearing my safety gear and everything. Saved my own life, and here we are. So funny story though, Costco no longer supports that company that was inside there. You can't find gutters in Costco anymore because they were like, dude, your product's garbage, to the company that I was working for. And so it is what it is. But crew right now saving these long runs because the client doesn't want to do a formal replacement. And see, I got a call coming in halfway off my ladder. You gonna hold your rope for a second? All right. Just a second. And we're up. So no, we're still recording. This is wild. All the different things that just happened on my phone. Can't recommend chucks on a tear-off roof by any means. You'll hear it slipping a little bit. Not exactly comfy, but gets the job done. So going through, making sure we can keep the existing gutters, and you can see the ventilation detail in this house isn't nearly where it should be. So we're gonna get her up and flowing. And so they've got these compartments down low here. There's a couple different ways you can ventilate these systems, but you can see the box right here with the white stain. That's an active water issue from relatively poor placement. Why would they put them right under the valley? That one at least 2 feet away makes me a little more comfortable. No cricket behind the chimney, which I think is gonna need to be an add-on. In this case, these 100-year-old homes, they're not structurally built when ventilation came in the 60s. They were all standing loud and proud before then. And so in this particular case, with all the wires and the trees overhead, no driveway, another ground drop, hand load, hand haul down to the street. Pretty normal for southeast, northeast. It's part of the reason why I think roofing in northeast, southeast Portland is probably at the highest level in the country, because it takes so much extra time, labor to deal with these custom houses. Doesn't mean that we claim to be the best in the country, just saying that we think it's the hardest to roof in the country, because you're battling these constant details, like that round rake system over there, how the shingles wrap around, so annoying. The rounded dormers on this green trim building, the tapered dormer right here, another round front entrance. Just the factors involved with making sure that water is shedding properly with all the different transitions. Then you add the ventilation variation. We've seen it all. Some gutters also strapped, hung way down yonder. I don't know if you can see, but we got to make our way to not Ladd's Landing. We're in Ladd's Landing. We're gonna head to the Holocene, which is a building I've only heard about. I don't know if I've been, but apparently a bunch of people on the team have been there before. And gonna go and take a peek. We've got an inspection coming up, and it's Memorial Day weekend. So appreciate everyone who's served. We don't take our freedom for granted. And we'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.